Hey eBay, I'm Mercari. Today I'm showing you this Hallmark keepsake Disney Cinderella ornament from 2013. This one is called Cinderelly. It is, or rather it features the birds making the dress. It has a button on the side here. If you press it, it sings a little song. So as you can hear there, it's working good. And it has brand new batteries. They're already installed in there for you, ready to go. The physical condition, I'm going to say it is very good. I don't really see any flaws. And the box condition, also very good. And just a little bit of wear on like the top edge. Some slight bends on the flaps. Other than that, pretty much like new. I think that's all I have to tell you about it. Thanks for looking.